course, big picture today, people are focused on Fed Chair Jay Powell and his comments later, but we have a lot of earnings to consider. Here's a heat map of some of those earnings. Want to zoom in on some of them further. We've got Hertz Global Holdings. Here's the 2-day chart, but if you look at the 1 day here, the stock is up better than 7.5%. The company's earnings beat estimates. This is even after we have seen pricing come down for used cars in the second half of the year. And Hertz, in addition to renting cars, makes a lot of money from selling those cars once their life is used up in the rental cycle. And so the fact those prices came down hurts to some degree, but still beat estimates. Also, if we're talking travel, let's talk about Spirit Airlines. Those shares, not much change. They're up just about 0.75%. A little bit of good, a little bit of bad here for Spirit. On the one hand, the company came out with earnings per share of 12 cents. That is better than had been anticipated for the company. Operating margin also better than estimated at 4.1%, but the company says in the first quarter, adjusted operating margin will be -2% to -4%. Full year capacity is going to rise 19 to 22%. Capacity is something that airline investors watch closely. And then KKR shares up better than 1.5%. The company has now more than $500 billion in assets. Didn't sell too many assets, though, and so that means that its earnings fell by 41%, but it looks like those assets under management getting a boost is good news for KKR. Those shares, by the way, up about almost 23% for the year to date. So a little survey of some of the other earnings that we are watching right now.